Welcome to the Sausalito Wooden Boat Tour, a guide to Sausalito's historic waterfront and the wooden boats and historic vessels that call this little village their home. Sausalito, the first town north of San Francisco over the Golden Gate Bridge, has a rich and varied nautical history. Some of the people and boats you will encounter on this tour have lived adventurous seafaring lives. Others have never navigated beyond the Golden Gate. Nonetheless, the handcrafted wooden boats and historic vessels that grace our harbors continue to inspire adventure, art, poetry, and song in those who know and love them. Whether your appreciation is based on the historical or artistic significance of these boats, or is simply a reflection of your own personal experience, the Sausalito Wooden Boat Tour will bring you a little bit closer to the nautical life with a renewed appreciation for all things made with the hand, eye, and heart.